Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about multi-dimensional arrays. This is in C programming language. Let's initialize an array of 2 by 3. We can add a few elements. Let's print the first row, first column. We can compile our program. Then let's execute the compiled output. You can see the output 4. Then, let's print all elements in this multi-dimensional array. We can use 2 for loops for that. For each row, print the element and keep a space. After printing a row, print the new line. Let's compile again and see the output. You can see the output has print. That is it for this video, guys. So hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Please consider liking and subscribing if you learn something new. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.